everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this headband wig. Headband wigs literally are the best thing that they could have invented for a girl that works out, for a girl that is on the go, for a girl who just don't want to do her hair that day. You know, like, these are very convenient, so I really suggest you guys all go out and get one. This wig is from YGwigs. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video. This is the 20-inch loose wave headband wig from YGwigs, and guys, I just love it so much. I guess loose wave is like the best texture because it's so low maintenance. You don't have to do anything to it. When you wash it, it's gonna go right back into its wave. So good. And I'm actually about to record like 10 workout videos, and I'm gonna be wearing this wig because, you know, your hair's off your face and it's just perfect. You know, it's just perfect for everything. And also guys, the caps are adjustable, so you don't have to worry. I'm actually wearing a medium-sized cap, and I normally wear size small caps in all my wigs because my head is really small. Where my head is, so where my hair is, my head is really small. So yeah guys, if you want to see me install this wig, please keep watching. Okay guys, so I have already did my baby hair, and I just have on a black stocking cap, and I just have my hair pushed back. You know, it took me forever to do my baby hair, first of all, because doing baby hair ain't easy. Like, it is so annoying. But anyways guys, this is the wig. It's really nice, and it does not stink. It's really nice and bouncy, and I have not washed it, so this is a texture that it does come in. This is the inside of the wig. It has 3 combs. You can adjust it here, and then of course it has the black band in it already. If you guys already know, I like to wear my headband wigs with the normal band that it comes with. So all I'm gonna do is tighten the wig up here, and I'm gonna pop this wig on. Oh wait guys, so before I put my wig on, I'm gonna put this wig grip on. It's just like a piece of fabric made out of velvet. Then it has like Velcro on it. I'm just gonna pop this on, and this just helps my wig stay in place without me having to worry about my wig sliding, because you guys know I'm not gonna grip those combs into my hair, especially since I'm already wearing a cap. So yeah, if you guys don't know about a wig grip, you should get one. I'm just gonna take these little straps guys, and we're gonna snap it in the back. This wig is extremely easy to put on. It is my go-to wig. Okay guys, so this is the hair, right? Super cute. Like, I look like a different person. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. So freaking pretty. Okay guys, like, honestly, these are my go-to wigs. Like, all you have to do is, seriously guys, headband wigs are like my go-to wigs. All you have to do is lay your baby hair, pop the wig right on, and this is the headband that it actually comes with. So you can also add different headbands. We're gonna try on different headbands. We're gonna style it a little bit, but this is like my ultimate fave. So what do you guys think? Y'all have to get a headband wig if you do not have one. Like, they're extremely convenient, and then if you go to the gym, you're trying to look cute for your man in the gym, you know, you can just lay your edges, pop this wig on, and go about your day. Okay, we're gonna like try a different headband. So they gave me a few different headbands to try, so let's just like try them out. I'm gonna just try this cheetah one. I don't even know how this go. Hold on. Cute. I'm a cheetah girl. Okay, also guys, you see how you have this headband on? It can just cover up the back of the wig. You can also pull your wig up. Hold on. You can also take a scrunchie. You can pull your wig straight back. So, you know, you can also pull your wig up. Oh, let's do half up, half down. How cute is this? Look like a cheerleader. Guys, you can also pull it in a low pony. A low pony is more my style when it comes to this, I guess. Like when I'm in the gym, cause let's pull it up in a high ponytail. So for my girls who be in the gym, this is your style. You know, you can pull your hair all the way up just like this. I think this is super cute actually. This can definitely be a gym look. Like, you're gonna be cute in the gym. Not only you gonna be fine. Oh, look at my abs. But yeah, guys, y'all know y'all so in love with y'all messy bun. And then also, ooh, do not look in my kitchen. But you guys see the headband is covering up the anything back there, so you can't see anything. But I'm loving this wig, and it's so soft. The length of it is perfect. Okay guys, so you already know we're gonna take this off because I like my wig with the regular headband. So let's just fluff her back out. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you check out the links down below so you can get your own headband wig. I'm telling you, it is a lifesaver. Every girl needs this in her wig collection, because I know y'all got a collection. But thank you guys again for watching, and thank you YGwigs for sponsoring this video. I love you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, leave a comment letting me know where you guys are from. I love y'all so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, I really appreciate it. So I will see you guys in the next video.